Bro, you know some no friends though?
So, am I your enemy?
No, bro. Feel friendship goes without saying.
Elaborate then.
When I say me nah no friends, me means friends will share the same ideologies and beliefs, or even just fascinated by the spiritual side of life as I am.
Have you tried voicing your opinion on social media? Because that could attract like minded individuals.
Well, to be honest, me try, but just a little bit.
You can't be dropping breadcrumbs and expect that people are gonna just know what you're actually talking about. Just say what's on your mind, bro. Just remember to make it simple enough that a toddler can understand what's being said.
That sound like too much work. Sorry. It easier for me make more shadow clones of myself than go up on social media go make it look like say a friend me a look. Come in a big burn or boyfriend.
Sometimes I wonder why Nene never just queened her vagina and broke your goddamn neck while you were being pushed out of it.
No mix me now, no bangarang.